Hello everyone, in this video we're going to look at the steps to make the taskbar smaller or larger on Windows 11. Although the Windows 11 taskbar has a similar design to the one available on Windows 10, the new version does not include essential features, including the ability to change the size. However, it is possible to modify the registry to change the size to small, medium, or large. So here's how to make the Windows 11 taskbar smaller or larger. But here's a warning. Modifying the registry, it is not a good idea, and it can cause problems if you don't do it properly. It is assumed that you know what you're doing and that you have created a full backup before proceeding. First, open the Start menu and look for the registry, and then open the app. Then navigate to the current user key, and then open Software, Microsoft, then Windows, current version, Explore, and on Advanced, right-click the key, select New, and select the DWORD 32-bit value option. And then name the key Taskbar SI and press Enter. Then double-click the newly created DWORD and make sure that the value is set to 0. The value of 0 means to make the taskbar smaller. You can also change it to 1 to set it to the default size, or you can use 2 to make it larger. So we're going to use 0 and then click OK. Then right click the Start button and open Task Manager. And here just look for the Windows Explorer service and click the Restart button to apply the changes. And as you can see, now we have a smaller version of the taskbar. It doesn't look perfect, but it is smaller. If you want to restore the default size, just come back to the same path and then double click the taskbar SI DWORD and change the value to 1. Then open Task Manager, look for Windows Explorer and click the Restart button again. Now if you want to make it larger, just come back to the same path and double click the DWORD and change the value to 2. And again, open Task Manager, look for Windows Explorer and click the Restart button. And as you can see, we now get a bigger taskbar with bigger buttons. But as you can see, it doesn't look perfect. But if that's something that you need, this is how you do it. If you want to undo the changes, just open the registry again, come back to the same path, and then right click the DWORD that you created and then just delete it. Just make sure that you deleted the right one. And one more time, right click the Start button, go to Taskbar, look for Windows Explorer, and then click the Restart button. And as you can see, now we have the default size for the taskbar and buttons. And that's it. That's how you make the taskbar for Windows 11 smaller or larger. Remember to like the video, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.